Hello, I'm Chris Bays. I am the Technical Support Advisor for Victor Floorcare. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about the different brushes that we have available for our rotary machines. Two brushes that we have, one called the Polyscrub brush and one called the Shampoo brush. This is the Polyscrub brush, and this is for scrubbing hard floors. So we'd use this brush on a standard speed machine usually, and for uneven floor types such as pitted concrete or tile floors with grating, this is particularly good because it works into all the nooks and crannies. So for oily machine shop floors, so it cuts through the grease. It's made of polypropylene fibre, and it is the more coarser of the two brushes. This brush is the Shampoo brush, and this is a softer brush than the Polyscrub brush, but still made of polypropylene. This is to be used for carpet cleaning. So, again, you'd use it on a standard speed machine with a solution tank of a high foaming shampoo, and this offers probably the most deepest clean of carpet cleaning methods out there. If you have any questions or require further support, visit victorfloorcare.com.